Hi my bananas, welcome back to another video. So this is Hannnah voiceover again, and I know I went Mia for 2 weeks.
Oh, sorry po.
This is a compilation of raw video that I filmed in different day while I was gone, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you miss me, please keep on watching. If you are watching my vlog before, you know that I love doing crafts and recycle material where I can use it again. We have this old cabinet that my mama wanted to get rid of, pero sabi ko sa kanya wag na muna niyang itapon. And this one needs an extreme makeover, so I have this idea again that inspired from Pinterest, of course, and I will transform this one into story.
1, 2, 3.
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom and hoping we get alright. And I ding dong, loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind.
I also DIY this popsicle hexagon shelf, and I got this idea from Pinterest again. In-upload ko na tong video na to before sa A Day in My Life video, pero ngayon di na siya makikita because I got copyrighted music, so I decided na burahin na lang siya. So hi my bananas, and yan, katatapos ko lang maligo as you can see, and you know, I'm wearing something comfortable since dito lang naman tayo sa bahay. And yeah, let's get it started. Ayun ako po, and then gupit ko yun kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin ko. You know, magiging barbero tayo for today. Anyway, wala akong matinong gunting. Like, ito lang kasi yung available na gunting sa akin. So, hindi ko alam kung tama itong ginagawa ko, pero ito kasi nakapanood ko sa ibang YouTube. So, let's get started. Sabi ka, ganun mo lang ito siya. Hindi, nag-dito ko. Sobrang daming split ends. Okay. Like, ang pangit. Ang parang like, girl. Sobrang papunta ko na. Oh my God. try ko i-straight to mo. Alam mo, kung nagsasalita lang yung buhok ko, siguro nasabihin niya na ako na masakit na words. Pero na-medyo natin. Like, as you can see, sobrang fly away niya. Okay, I'm gonna prank my mom. Na-prank ko yung mama ko na maikli yung buhok ko like this. Ay, ang ikli nga siya, sis. Ay, buyali talaga ako sa mama ko. Pag nakita niya, nandito ako sa taas. Hindi niya pa ito nakikita ng mood sila sa mga. Papakita ko sa kanya mamaya. Pero syempre, ayusin muna natin para konti lang yung galit niya. Tingnan natin kung... Okay, sabi ko diba self-care itong video na to, pero mas mukhang may stress ako ngayong araw na to dahil ang pangit talaga ng buhok. Kinalabasan ng buhok ko, like, di ko siya gusto. Well, anyway, ako naman may kasalanan nito, kaya, well, haba rin naman tong buhok ko kasi August pa naman yung pasukan natin. So, convince natin yung sarili natin na okay lang. Pag nagkamali ka sa isang bagay, alam mo, convince mo lang yung sarili mo na kaya mong mas maging maganda yung buhay mo. Or yung bagay na yon is, it's a way for you to, you know, to make yourself better. Kung alam mo nagkamali ka sa buhay mo, like, gagamitin mo yung pagkakamali mo na yun to make yourself better at alam mo, experience ka na dapat hindi mo na gawin yun. So, hindi ko na talaga ito gagawin. Kung alam mo nagkamali ka sa buhay mo, like, gagamitin mo yung pagkakamali mo na yun to make yourself better at alam mo, experience ka na dapat hindi mo na talaga ito gagawin. Hindi ko na talaga ito gagawin. Okay, so let's start. Yan, ito yung pinapanood ko. O ginagaya ko sa pag-exercise. Ito, gagayain na ito.
On this challenge, do not forget to leave a comment down below with your progress or use the hashtag and let's get started. All exercises today are 30 seconds each and counts in supersets. So we're doing 2 exercises back to back and we have a 10 seconds break. Let's get started. The first exercise is leg raise clap. Lower down your legs slowly and
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me.
almost done the workout, guys. Keep going.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak, I feel my
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
My strawberry kisses
Kami. Mama, ang tagal niya maligo. Hintay lang kami siya matapos maligo. Tapos yung kapatid ko nandun pa. Sinaset up ko lang yung mga kailangan. Nanginginig ako. Mini-wait lang namin si Mama. Napakatagal maligo.
Hindi ako magpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil ikaw yung naging mama ko. Ang always be filled with love and overflowing happiness.
I grew up without you and spent half and more than my life without seeing you nor touching you personally. I'm longing for your existence and touch, to share love with me, wipe away my tears, hug me tight whenever I'm having a bad time. Our family went so long. Many times I asked God, why does you allow these things to happen? Why does you let Mama not to be with us? Bakit kailangang may umalis? But I was wrong for questioning God because that makes Him God. His ways are higher than my ways, and His thought than my thought. Everything that is happened, He has a reason and why He allowed it. And now I grown up, I understand Him more and more. And now my Mama is here, I couldn't ask for more. I'm grateful for having her as my mom. I realized that God never leave me when my Mama need to leave us to work abroad. He comforted me when I feel like giving up. God never let me do things that will destroy me in the end. Instead, she led my way and protected me when my parents are not around. I do believe that God can restore what is broken and change it into something amazing. All you need is faith.